Turbo delivery. What's up, guys? So we've been doing a lot of thinking and been pondering some stuff. We've been wondering what you guys are looking for. So leave it in the comments. You know, these guys we're real stressed out right now, and we're trying to come up with ideas and, you know, ways to really pop this channel off. So if you guys could just leave what you want to see in the comments, and you know, we'll look through some of the better ideas and probably not do any of them, but at least it'll be a little bit of fan engagement, because that's what it's all about. It's about you guys, because you guys are the guys that give us 150 views when we spend 8 hours on a video. So, you know, instead of just clicking on it, watching it, liking it, just leave what you want to see in the comments. That way we can ignore it. So anyways, appreciate it. Yo, chat. Got the turbo here. About to throw it on the truck today. S480. You got your downpipe, don't you? Yeah, I forgot the downpipe. I had to go get that, but let's get started. We gotta jack this thing up. You got an impact down here,
Forces for sale, never been curbed, polished every week.
Yeah. Is it not 11 millimeters? 11, I'm gonna take off.
Right, what you think about this grass?
I like the grass, but I also like the 3-ton jack holding up 100 pounds. For the safety?
Yeah, don't y'all guys get it wrong. We always put safety first.
Of library. Come on along. I went to a house of books to learn about some dang words.
The pipe from here to here's off. Working on he's got the oil feed off. Oil drain's got to come off. Got to get the V-band off there. Rye's getting the V-band off down there, ain't you, Rye? Yes, sir. He's getting that, and Jack's excited.
I'm hyped, dude.
Jack's excited for the 80 millimeter turbo.
Yeah, baby. Yeah.
This is gonna go stupid.
80 millimeters of freedom.
Yeah. This is 78, 75 right now, so this one's like, it's actually crazy how small it looks compared.
Real.
Struggling with that a little bit, or?
Yes.
Struggling.
It's being a little.
It's like you just gotta do something that you ain't doing.
Thank you, appreciate it, Mr. Tucker.
Something.
Yep. Thanks, Tucker.
Yeah, it's not hard. You just gotta kind of do it. Kind of like Jack just needs to get that V-band off.
Is Tucker reeling? Oh, he's getting a sandwich.
No, he's gonna be right back.
Rolling. I say he's definitely taken that grill off before.
Chat with might have to get some plug wires.
That's real.
Where can we get those?
What in particular can you say is wrong with this?
Let's go get plug wires then.
I think it,
Wait. Hold on, Jack. I might have one that works better.
So that right there is what got a little hot.
this right here, bro, it kind of
Dude,
melted.
I can't even count a single time where it would have gotten hot enough to melt like that.
I know, but it wasn't. But it was.
All right, we're going to O'Reilly's, and we got a challenge going. Whoever can ask the team member at O'Reilly's the stupidest question without cracking a smile wins. And it's got to be, it can't be anything that's on the counter that they actually got. And the stupider the better.
A great idea. I'm with that.
Your eyes going to burn out right now. By the way, we're in Mexico.
All right, chap, we're back. Got the plug wires from O'Reilly's. We're gonna throw them in. I think we'll be good. Throw the turbo back on. Once we do that, we can hook up the downpipe. You see, we're trying to fit a 4-inch downpipe in a 4 1/4 inch hole. Pretty much, basically. So I gotta twist this V-band up. I think it's hitting right here. And also I'm gonna bend this in, this little flange. Then we should be able to fit it, chat.
I think it's gonna go, but it might work. Jack, you get it in?
It's in, bro.
Let's go. Now we're gonna slide the downpipe in. Maybe we can do it. Huh?
I'm a little off, but since we got it in, we're pretty good now.
Well, that's all
I
right.
kind of just need a Mountain Dew.
Yeah, that's real.
Bro, where do you want your sound?
Right there's fine.
Go ahead and compare that to the other turbo.
Oh yeah, I didn't.
Just for the viewers.
Right. Dude, that's wild.
Golly. All right. Now, turbo's off. Got the new one right there. Got it oriented how we need it. Just got to put the feed and drain flanges on it. And basically, got to do a little bit of fabbing for the intercooler piping right here. But shouldn't be too much longer. We'll have it ready. What do you do? Make a mark on this.
Did you tighten it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Needed to make a mark to cut that?
Yeah.
We'll get it here in a minute.
Take it off.
It's gonna work, isn't it?
Yeah. It's gonna work.
Where'd you put the black one? It's over on this side. Here. Took it out. It goes in there, but it doesn't go in there all the way.
I think that's the same size as this.
Probably.
So I've got the turbo.
Don't really know where our filmers went, but we should be able to get this with the two of us. Oh, yep, nice. Throw this on here, and I should be able to get it.
Down. We're in. Jack's tightening them up. Hopefully that downpipe fits since we spun that clamp around, or Jack did. That's what we're hoping for. But I mean, it fits in there pretty good nonetheless. Let's see what she does.
Holy crap. I'm freaking hyped. I didn't really think it was gonna fit, to be honest, but
That's kind of real.
everybody says it does. Chat. But I have more, but I don't know where it went.
So much there.
All right, they're in. Need the clamp tightened up, and then
Dang, it's like not enough, but close. Because that's the edge of the flange, isn't it? Just chill, take a break, and we'll get it right. Because that crap will pop off if we put them on like that.
Gonna do us any good to sit here whining about it? We're in a hole. We're just gonna have to dig ourselves out. Where are you going?
Home. I'm walking home.
That's so close. That might work. Yeah, I just need this side one more. Frick. Here. Let me.
tap it in with like a wrench or something. It don't take much. I was barely tapping.
Hold on, he's got it. Jack's got it. Jack's actually cooking. Jack's actually got it. Jack's actually got it. Chat's actually got it. Oh my goodness.
Talker hit though.
Hold it. Jack, do not let go, dude. Don't let go.
Never let go.
Never let go.
Silverado.
Wastegate edition.
Yeah.
Wastegate edition. Come on, Jack. You can do it.
Only real subscribers will know the reference.
Yeah. Actually, no subscribers will because we never released the footage. That's never coming out. Jack, is that ever coming out?
Stay there, do not.
100,000 likes on this video and we'll release the footage. Is that fair?
That's fair.
All right, that's it.
Okay, chat. We got everything on there. I'm gonna give it a once over because there's a lot of stuff going on. But anyways, let's freaking look over it. They are. All right, chat. We'll let the wideband heat up right here.
very, very quiet. I'm hunting wabbits.
All right, Jack. Tucker's gonna do a little prank on Jack.
Just don't be scared to give it the extra dug. I get the cross pattern and then I went all around and did everything. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. I put that on myself.
Jack, be quiet.
I put that on. Hey, you did it. Well, chap, we probably go right. Sometime.
Tucker. Hit on the frame while he starts. Hit on the frame. All right, Jack. Start up your truck, man.
Jack, it's on a jack stand still.
That's fine just to start it. I don't know, bro. It just started.
What the crap, dude? Get Brad, get out of here. What the frick? Alright, let's freaking.
Yo, chat, we're here in my small shop, my little garage. Just finish up Jack's little turbo and Cole's doing smart. That's wild.
Oh my goodness. That ain't even E85. No. It takes a little while to spool. It does. It takes a minute, but I started scanning again. So the tenor will get her dialed all the way back in, but that's still just to drop it in, running off the same tune. That's kind of crazy. I mean, it's not like it's a pretty big leap because it's just a, going from a 3 to 4 inch and then what's the AR on this one? 1.25. And the old one was a 0.96. Okay, yeah, that's a pretty good jump too.
There ain't enough road, dude.
There ain't. That's crazy. What have I done? It's not even on the 85 like you said.
Is it good? Huh?
Everything was good.
Did it run good?
Yeah, I think it's good. It hit like 17 pounds of boost.
You're pumped.
I'm freaking high.
That's sweet, bro. I heard it. It sounded good.
Dude, the whistle's so much different. I should have